If you're in the market for a new family vehicle, come down and check out this 2023 Toyota Sienna. This thing has got so much room in it, you can haul a football team. It has power windows, locks, mirrors, leather stitched interior, bucket seats, leather wrapped steering wheel with digital gauge cluster, hands-free controls, large screen for your information center, AM/FM radio. It has a large colorful backup camera. It has navigation, dual climate controls, above controls for your rear hatch and your side power doors, a nice moon roof. In the middle you have captain's chairs with overhead controls for climate, third row seat. In the back, in your cargo area, you have plenty of room for all your sports equipment, groceries. The back seat folds completely flat for more cargo area.